Counting cars on this busy street, on a porch without a swing, watching the world fly by, chasing that 9 to 5. I hear a song on the radio, talking about life where the green grass grows. The melody and music feels like a long lost friend. It's calling me, it's where I wanna be, where the blacktop ends. Another town, another red dirt road. These old boots know the way to go, and they're pulling, but won't say where they're taking me. They know the way, yeah, they know the way. And it felt like home, that peaceful, easy feeling. It's where I belong, like a family I'd never known, never known. For the first time in my life, I'm living like the songs I grew up on. Yeah, they were my dad and mom, and I was country music's adopted son. When I was broken down and on my knees, the steel guitar cried out to me and eased my pain, told me everything would be okay. And it held my hand, helped me to understand. And it felt like home, that peaceful, easy feeling. It's where I belong, like a family I'd never known, never known. For the first time in my life, I'm living like the songs I grew up on. They were my dad and mom, and I was country music's adopted son. And it felt like home, that peaceful, easy feeling. It's where I